Hello viewers, my fifth video on PDFgear. Today we will explore comment section and further commands under its umbrella. So without wasting time, let's move to the screen. So let's open the PDF file and click comment, then highlight. Now select the word or line and highlighter is used. You can also change the colors. It's very easy and simple. The next is underline. The same method is used. Click underline and then the line or the word is done. You can also once again change the color. Strike through, a line in the middle. Same method. And next is area highlighted. Through this you can highlight any area of your PDF file. So make a rectangle or selection and it's done. Next is line. You can draw any type of line, vertical line, horizontal line, or whatever is your requirement. Rectangle is just like the name. You can draw any shape like rectangle. You can also use oval shape. So click on oval and drag it in either side or any area of your PDF file and the shape is done. Next is ink. You can make your signature or you can write something like a pin. Next is text box. This text box is used to highlight something, any area of your PDF. Color line, font color can also be changed. And next is add text. Through this way you can add almost similar text without any rectangle by adding a line or a word. Now as you see that there is no line around it. Next is note. This is very important. I can add note anywhere, anytime, and I can edit it, I can delete it. It's very beneficial. You can also make its placement anywhere. Next is stamp. Stamp, I already make a detailed video on it and in PDFgear previous video is available. Last and final is show comment. Click it and all comments and lines are absent and then click it, so everything will be available over there. And click on arrow and let's select a paragraph or a line. Right click, copy. You can use anything other like highlighter, etc. It's now soft. Your PDF file is easy to edit. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.